how to fix a yellow screen on your Samsung phone. So if you have this kind of yellow tint on your Samsung, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up your phone settings and then scroll down and click on display. Now make sure Eye Comfort Shield is turned off and disabled like this. You could then come back over to the previous settings page. You could then scroll all the way down and click on Accessibility. Now click on Vision Enhancements. Now scroll down and click on Color Correction and make sure this is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on Color Filter, and also make sure this is turned off at the top of this page. Now if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then what we can do is come back over to the main settings page and scroll down and click on General Management. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on Reset, and then scroll down and select Reset All Settings. You can then press the Reset Settings button and just go and enter the PIN code to your Android phone. Once you've done this, press the Reset button one final time, and that should go and fix any yellow screen tint on your Samsung phone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.